Get ready, next exercise, next stretch. 3, 2, 1. Do next stretch for 30 seconds. Stand straight with your feet hip width apart and tilt your head toward the shoulder. Place your hand on your head and gently pull until you feel the stretch in your neck. Hold for a few seconds and repeat on the other side. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise, shoulder stretch. 3, 2, 1. Do shoulder stretch for 30 seconds. Bring one arm across your upper body and hold it straight. Grasp the elbow with the other arm and gently pull toward your chest. Hold for a few seconds and repeat on the other side. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise, tricep stretch. 3, 2, 1. Do tricep stretch for 30 seconds. Stand straight with your feet hip width apart. Lift and bend one arm until your hand is in the middle of the upper back. Grasp the elbow with the other hand and gently pull. Hold for a few seconds and repeat on the other side. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise, upper back stretch. 3, 2, 1. Do upper back stretch for 30 seconds. Stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart. Clasp your hands together with the thumbs pointing down. Straighten your arms and round your shoulders as you reach forward. Hold the stretch for a few seconds. Three, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise, chest stretch. 3, 2, 1. Do chest stretch for 30 seconds. Bring the left arm up to shoulder height and position the palm and inside of the arm on the wall surface or doorway. Your elbow should be bent to 90 degrees. Gently press the chest through the open space to feel the stretch. Repeat on the other side. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise, side stretch. 3, 2, 1. Do side stretch for 30 seconds. Stand up with your feet set slightly wider than your shoulders. Then raise your left arm up and sideways over your head. At the same time, reach down with your right arm and bend your upper body down to the right hand side. Repeat this on the other side. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise, hip stretch. 3, 2, 1. Do hip stretch for 30 seconds. Kneel on your right leg and bend your left leg in front of you at a 90-degree angle. Shift your weight forward until you feel a stretch in your hip. Switch legs and repeat the stretch. exercise, hip hinge. 3, 2, 1. Do hip hinge for 10 repetitions. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Put your hands behind your head. Lean your upper body forward. Return into starting position. Rest. Next exercise, quadriceps stretch. 3, 2, 1. Do quadriceps stretch for 30 seconds. Stand on your left leg, one knee touching the other. You can hold a chair or the wall to keep you steady if needed. Grab your right foot, using your right hand, and pull it towards your butt. Your focus should be on feeling the stretch in your quad muscle and pushing your hips forward to get a good hip flexor stretch. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise, standing calf stretch. 3, 2, 1. Do standing calf stretch for 30 seconds. Stand holding onto a wall with your arms extended and your toes pointing forward. Extend your right leg back, keeping your right foot flat on the floor. Lean forward and slowly bend your left knee until you feel the stretch in your back calf. Hold the stretch and repeat on the left leg. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise, side lunges stretch. 3, 2, 1. Do side lunges stretch for 30 seconds. Start in a standing position with your feet slightly apart. Step out to the side, keeping toes pointing forward. Complete a lunge to the side, bending at the knees to lower downwards. Push off from your bent leg to return to the starting position and repeat on the opposite side. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise, hamstring stretch. 3, 2, 1. Do hamstring stretch for 30 seconds. To stretch the right leg, sit on the ground with the left leg bent at the knee with the foot facing inward. Extend the right leg, keeping it slightly bent at the knee. Bend forward at the waist, making sure to keep the back straight. Hold the stretch and repeat few times on each leg. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise, knee to chest stretch. 3, 2, 1. Do knee to chest stretch for 30 seconds. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Bring one knee to your chest, keeping the other foot flat on the floor. Keep your lower back pressed to the floor. Hold for a few seconds. Relax and lower the knee to the starting position. Repeat with the other leg. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise, butterfly stretch. 3, 2, 1. Do butterfly stretch for 30 seconds. Sit down on the floor and bring both feet together. With the help of your arms, drive your knees down into the floor. Hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds and then slowly release. 1. Rest. Next exercise, Cobra stretch. 3, 2, 1. Do Cobra stretch for 30 seconds. Lie down on your stomach. Push your upper body off the ground as far as possible. Hold this position. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise, kneeling wrist stretch. 3, 2, 1. Do kneeling wrist stretch for 30 seconds. Kneel on floor or mat. Place palms of hand on floor with fingers pointing toward knees. Shift body back with elbows straight. Hold stretch. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise, child's pose stretch. 3, 2, 1. Do child's pose stretch for 30 seconds. Kneel on the floor or on a yoga mat and sit back on your heels with your arms at your sides. Slowly bend forward so your stomach touches your thighs. Try to keep your buttocks against your heels. Extend your hands out in front of you with your palms down and rest them on the mat or the floor. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise, back extensions. 3, 2, 1. Do back extensions for 10 repetitions. Lie down on your stomach. Put your hands behind your head. Lift your upper body off the ground and then return into starting position.